The first activity that you can do while you are at home and getting bored is to download Pinterest and create your own board. You can create your own board and also go through boards that are created by others. I can literally spend my entire day on Pinterest. Declutter. Now is the great time to take out all your skincare and beauty products, go through them, check out their expiry date, and throw out the products that are already expired. I found this Pond's BB cream and it was already expired. I threw it out. The next thing that you can try out is taking BuzzFeed quiz. BuzzFeed is a great website and here you will get various quiz. I took the one that is based on Disney characters and honestly I thought that I am a great Disney fan, but after taking this quiz I found out that I know very less about each character. So now that you are at home, why don't you try meditating? Meditating is a great way to calm yourself, and you will find various meditation music on YouTube which are free and some of them are live as well. You can go for the one that you like and meditate. Also, if you are someone like me, you can download this app which is Headspace. It is a great app for people who like to meditate. You can also try out listening a few podcasts that are available on Spotify, and you will also get others on various other applications as well. Cleaning your email inbox. I'm sure all of us have various unread emails. Why don't you take your time and unsubscribe to the channels that you do not like and you do not read the emails actually? Okay, so this one I know all of us might have done this during this time. FaceTime your friend. Also, while you are at home, why don't you take out some old albums and go through your childhood photos? I'm sure this will cheer you up. Complete the book that you started reading a while ago but couldn't read because of your busy schedule. You can also go through some of your old books. Also, if you do not like reading actual books, you can download PDF or read online novels. Learn a new language. Google is a free resource. You can learn various languages from there. Also, you can try out this app Duolingo. It is a great app and you can learn new languages from here. Do what you are actually doing right now. Watch YouTube videos or watch Netflix videos. Create your own Spotify playlist. Now that you are at home and all gyms are closed, why don't you try working out at home? You will get various workout videos on YouTube. All of these are free and you can try out the one that you like the most. Here are some of my favorite fitness YouTube channels. Learn a new hairstyle. Again, Pinterest is a great source for inspiration. You can search for various hairstyle boards and try out the hairstyles that are mentioned there. Skin care and hair care. Now that you are at home, take good care of your skin and hair. Doodling. This is one of my favorite things to do when I'm bored. You can refer to various doodle websites and YouTube channels. You will get inspiration from there. It is also a very relaxing thing to do. How can I not mention playing with your pet? Try out some free online courses. 19. Writing. You can write about your feelings. You can also write about your day. You can write a letter to yourself that you will have to open after a certain period of time. Lastly, but not the least, take rest and spend time with your family, because soon we all will be busy again. So that was it for this video. See you soon again. Bye.